Hello there and welcome to our next video. Okay, about this Impact Soundworks pedal steel sample library. I'm gonna use it, my vintage Yamaha Electone HS8 organ to control it. We're gonna play this melody in the key of G, which we're gonna press now from the orange section. Bam, C, G, bam. Okay, and we're gonna use for our control of the harmonization thingy, we're gonna be using the D or E flat or D sharp and G sharp keys. Ting, 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 ting. Okay, and the song is gonna be a one I call McFlyAway. I'm sure you're gonna recognize it. All right, let me just have a seat. Okay, so we have this D sharp and G sharp. Okay, so when we press D sharp, what are we gonna get? We're gonna get a sixth below. This is gonna be our harmonization voice when we press D sharp yellow key. But when we press G sharp, all we're gonna get is a harmonization voice, which is gonna be a third below our melody. Let us try. Okay, so we start from D sharp, which is the sixth below, right? Now we go to G sharp, which is a third below, and back to D sharp, which is a sixth below. This one. So we're gonna continue with the D sharp, which is a sixth below, and now change to G sharp, which is a third below. Keep pressing it, because this is a third below right here. Now we change it to D sharp, which is a sixth below. Keep pressing it. And now we can we keep pressing it. Right, and now to the chorus. We change it to D sharp, which is a third below. Here, here, Now back to D sharp. This one here. Now change it to G. We're gonna change it to G sharp. A third below here. Here. And here. Right here. This is our harmony voice. Change it back to the D sharp, which is this harmony voice. Keep pressing it. And to the end. And this is how it is done. All right.